Welcome back to Livie's Lovelies, your inspirational craft channel, and I'm your host, Fam the Fabulous. For more ideas, inspiration, swaps, and challenges, click the link in the description below to join our craft community, the Maker Exchange, on Facebook. Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back, all my artists, creatives, crafters, and makers. Welcome back to the Lovely Lab, and welcome back to our 2022 Index Card Art Series. Now, I know I've taken a couple of weeks off, but baseball has started, the new Women's Life group has started, and so I'm a little bit stretched, but I found time to get into my creative space and creative zone today. So, without further ado, we are working on word prompt number 12, which is water. Now, water is defined as a colorless, transparent, odorless liquid that forms the seas, lakes, rivers, and rain, and is the basis of the fluids of living organisms. That's the noun. Now, the verb is pour or sprinkle water over a plant or area in order to encourage plant growth. And it's also become full of moisture or tears. Now, when I think about water, I think about how vital it is to all living things. If it's living and breathing and reproducing, water is involved. Water is required in order to sustain and extend the life, right? And without it, that life will cease to exist. So it doesn't matter if it's a bug or grass, a tree, a human, a dog, it doesn't matter. It needs water, right? So I had a couple months ago, pulled this image from the devotional that I receive each month by, I think it's called Lighthouse Ministries. Let me make sure I know what's it called. Let's see. In Touch Ministries. It's a free devotional. I'd Google it if I were you. They send one each month. So there's a month worth of daily devotionals, and it also provides background scripture. Nevertheless, I pulled this from there like you would any other magazine article, and I just like the image. Now, I didn't know that this word would come up, but I love that in this image you have something as simple as water coming from a spout into a basin. And this picture is also in black and white, which is right up my alley. So what I plan to do today is use this as today's index card art, right? there we have it, my friends. And the word says, I came that you may have life and life more abundantly. There's the water. And that wasn't too bad. 20 minutes, even with the interruptions, folks. All right, so set aside 20 minutes. Go ahead and grab your index cards and go ahead and dive into your mini art session. All right. Anyways, guys, thanks so much for watching. And for those who have not already hit the subscribe button, if you're still watching, you probably should have already hit the button by now, right? Because you're going to want to come back and see the next one and probably go back and watch the previous ones. But listen, until we're back here together on YouTube and Patreon, my friends, stay encouraged, stay blessed, stay creative and crafty. Bye for now.
If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Hit subscribe to join the crafty community and be sure to click the bell for notifications of new uploads. Thank you so much for watching. Now stay tuned for more from Livie's Lovelies, your inspirational craft channel. Bye for now.